Welcome everyone to this edition of Current Connect. Today's Connect is Chief Justice of India under Right to Information Act. Recently, the Supreme Court held that the Office of the Chief Justice of India, CJI, is a public authority and falls within the ambit of the Right to Information Act. Let us see what is the Connect. It all started in 2007 when RTI was filed by an RTI activist and asked for details of the assets of the judges. The application was rejected, after which the matter reached the Central Information Commissioner, and then the matter was challenged in the Delhi High Court. The High Court said that the office of CJI comes under RTI, but it was again challenged in Supreme Court. After the recent judgment, the office of CJI is a public authority under the Right to Information Act. The judiciary cannot function in total insulation as judges enjoy a constitutional post and discharge public duty. Office of CJI will now entertain RTI applications. And under the RTI Act 2005, every public authority has to provide information to persons requesting for the information under the Act. Information includes any material in any form, including records, documents, memos, emails, etc. Let us see a brief view of RTI Act. The RTI Act of 2005 mandates timely response to citizen requests for government information. The Act applies to all states and union territories of India. Under the provisions of the Act, any citizen may request information from a public authority, that is, a body of government or instrumentality of state, which is required to reply expeditiously or within 30 days. Let us see how this can be connected to the UPSC syllabus. Judiciary in India is a major pillar of democracy. It enjoys high public trust and acts as the guardian of the constitution. It is imperative for the judiciary to function in a transparent manner to continue this trust. The judgment held that judiciary cannot work in isolation. It is often said that sunlight is the best disinfectant, and hence RTI can act as a disinfectant in removing the judicial corruption from the highest echelons of judiciary. However, bringing office of CJI under RTI must be discussed in its entirety. Judges hold the judiciary together, and when judges are in the fear of being persecuted for their decision, it can result in judicial paralysis in the same way it led to decision paralysis in bureaucracy. It can reduce judicial activism of the Supreme Court, which is a tool for achieving the constitutional promise of justice for all. Disclosure of personal information could lead to an unwarranted invasion of privacy right of the judge. Hence, the application must be scrutinized well before action being taken on it. The ruling is an example for other bodies such as political parties, number of schools, trusts, and public-private partnerships who resist categorization as public authorities under the Act.